Caleb.
You are going to get your phone right.
Caleb. Don't worry. No.
I'm going to get wet, ain't
No, it's probably going to be me.
I? Yeah, you got your phone out.
I'm going to be wet.
It smells like corn. It looks like old nasty river water.
I think it really likes me. Sure, I'm glad somebody else behind me's getting here. Y'all go. Oh no, here I go. Hey!
Right in the face. You okay, bud? Oh, here we go. Right into the waterfall.
Oh no. Y'all don't know what it's going to get it all.
I think I got some of that in my mouth. Jim, I think I got some of that in my mouth.
Uh-oh, you have to get some more. Yeah, same here. You like this, Caleb? Is it a thumbs up or down? It's a thumbs up. No, that's a finger up. Is it that bad? Oh, I can't see.
Oh, it got Caleb
It was
good.
bad.
It got you good. We'll dry off. I got those dry off boots you can go stand in. You'll be all right.
No, it's headed towards me again. Oh. Up. Going in the dark, spooky tunnel.
Oh, we're all gonna get wet.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, I hate that.
Oh no. Please stop. Don't kill the phone. Oh.
Oh, it made you think you were gonna get drowned. Oh no.
No. Not me. Don't choose me again. No. Not me again. I'm so close. What do you think, Caleb? Oh, here. Y'all didn't see that. I just didn't see.